The KF106 per kilo Farad 106 Max FPV Drone is a premium professional-grade quadcopter designed to deliver exceptional aerial photography and videography experiences. Featuring a sophisticated 4K HD camera mounted on a 3-axis mechanical self-stabilizing gimbal, this drone ensures ultra-clear, stable footage even during dynamic flights. The drone's dark gray sleek design complements its high-tech capabilities, making it a perfect choice for both recreational flyers and serious drone photographers looking to capture stunning visuals with precision and ease. Equipped with a powerful 1503 brushless motor and a 7.4 volts 2200 mAh lithium battery, the KF106 offers approximately 22 minutes of flight time per charge, providing ample opportunity for exploration and creative shooting. Its foldable design allows the drone to be compacted to just 10 x 17 x 10.5 cm for easy portability and storage, while its unfolded size of 31 x 32 x 10.5 cm ensures stable flight performance. Weighing 369 grams, the drone strikes an ideal balance between lightweight agility and robust construction. The control distance extends up to 600 meters in outdoor unobstructed environments, while the 5G Wi-Fi image transmission supports clear video feeds up to 240 meters, enabling pilots to maintain strong connectivity and smooth live video streaming. The KF106 drone features dual flight modes, GPS and optical flow, providing precise altitude hold and enhanced stability. The GPS functionality enables smart return to home with one-button operation, automatic return on low battery or signal loss, and intelligent following modes. The drone can lock on and follow your mobile device using GPS or automatically track a subject using image recognition. Gesture control allows pilots to capture photos and videos by simply making hand gestures within 1 to 3 meters of the drone, adding convenience and creativity to your aerial shooting. Additional intelligent flight features include multi-point route planning, enabling autonomous flight along preset paths so you can concentrate on capturing the perfect shot. Fixed point surround lets the drone orbit a target smoothly at a controllable radius, creating dynamic panoramic shots effortlessly. The drone also offers a GPS tracking and reminder function that displays its last known location with longitude and latitude on a map interface, simplifying retrieval if the drone flies out of sight. Media sharing capabilities support batch photo sharing and individual video sharing through user-friendly apps. The camera system supports adjustable angles up to 90 degrees controlled via the transmitter, capturing photos at a resolution of 5760 x 3240 pixels on mobile devices and videos in 1920 x 1080 pixels Full HD at 25 frames per second. Photos are saved in JPG format while videos are available in MP4 or AVI formats. The drone supports SD cards ranging from 32 GB to 128 GB, not included, with Kingston brand cards recommended for optimal performance. Compatible with iOS 8.0 or later and Android 4.4.4 or later, the drone interfaces seamlessly with most modern smartphones for intuitive control and real-time FPV streaming. The KF106 per kilo Farad 106 Max package includes the quadcopter, remote controller, a 7.4 volts 2200 mAh LiPo battery, 4 spare propellers, a USB charging cable, screwdriver, and a user manual, providing everything needed to get started right away. In summary, the KF106 per kilo Farad 106 Max FPV Drone is an advanced, feature-rich aerial platform that combines a 4K HD camera with a robust 3-axis gimbal, GPS-enabled intelligent flight modes, brushless motors, and convenient foldable design. It caters to drone pilots seeking professional-quality aerial photography and versatile flight options, delivering smooth, stable, and creative flying experiences on every mission.